Hello and welcome back to Easy Gardening. In this video, I'm going to show you how to grow onions from onion sets. Just look how beautiful these onions have grown. And if this is the first time that you're growing onions, then this video is for you because I'm going to cover everything from selecting your onion sets and how to plant them correctly. If you're a beginner or you haven't had success growing onions in the past, then my recommendation is you should always use onion sets over onion seeds. And there are two very good reasons why. Number one, faster results. Onion sets are partially developed bulbs, so they germinate a lot quicker. If you choose onion seeds, then they also require specific conditions. So they need light to germinate and heat. And if you can't provide that, they are not going to germinate successfully. Whereas onion sets have already partially developed, so that stage of the process has been taken care of. One of the first things you may have noticed is that I've grown my onion sets in containers, more specifically in root trainers, which are effectively just taller containers. There are a number of good reasons why I've done this. And first of all is not every onion set will germinate. You can see here that even though I've got an excellent germination rate, there are a few bulbs which haven't germinated. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 bulbs which haven't germinated. Now, if I put this directly into the ground, it'd be a complete waste. This way, by growing them in pots, I can see the ones that have germinated and only they will go into the ground for planting. Another reason why I've chosen to plant them in root trainers is it gives them a good healthy root system to start off with. So if we take one out here, you can see that there's one bulb in each section and they've germinated successfully. So let's open this up gently and let's have a look at the root system. Oh wow, there we go. So you can see that the roots have gone down deep rather than around a pot, and these have developed beautifully and they're ready to go into the ground. So you can use traditional pots, but if you do have access to root trainers, then do use them because you can see that the root system is excellent. So let me show you how I went from onion sets to amazing growth like this. The first most important step is set selection. What do I mean by that? Well, when you buy sets like this, not every set will be good enough to grow on. So if I just put these in here, here are the onion sets. You may have noticed that in this batch, I've got red onions growing, and in this video, I'm going to be growing white onions, but whichever variety or type you choose, the process I'm showing you is exactly the same. Set selection. So why is that important? Well, not every bulb that comes out from your packet is fit enough to be grown. And I'll give you a few examples in this. Every packet will contain different size bulbs. Now, what you want to do is always select the biggest bulb as long as there is no rot or damage to that bulb. So, for example, here's a nice large bulb compared to something that's absolutely tiny. Now, even though there's growth on this one, I would not recommend growing this. So put this to one side and only select the larger bulbs. The other thing you're looking for as well is make sure that every bulb that you select is nice and firm and not soft to the touch. If it's soft, there's a high chance that the bulb is either rotting away or it's damaged. You only want nice, strong bulbs like this. So here I've separated the smaller and the damaged bulbs with the bulbs I'm going to be using to grow on. And even though here, for example, I've got a large bulb, it doesn't feel firm enough. It's soft and kind of squidgy. So I know that's not going to grow successfully. And another example is our tiny bulbs like this, very small, and again it feels soft, and I know it won't grow. So even though it may look brutal that you're wasting bulbs, but in fact, even if you planted these, they wouldn't grow successfully. How do we plant these? Well, the planting method is actually very easy, but there are a few steps that you must follow. I've already prepared my containers, and again, if you're not using root trainers, that's fine. Just make sure that you are using tall, deep pots for this. Now that we've selected our bulbs which we want to plant and we've prepared our pots, all we do, and this is important, when you're planting onion sets, you want to make sure that they are sitting slightly proud of the top of the container. So you don't want to bury these in entirely under compost or your growing material, and just position them in. And another important thing to remember is that you have to position these in a specific way. So this is the bottom. You can just see some roots coming out there, and this pointy side is the top of the bulb. So always remember, your this is the roots go to the bottom, and the pointy side goes positions itself to the top. And all you're doing is just gently pushing them in like this. So here we go. Once you have positioned your bulbs in, they should look something like this. So just remember that they do need to be proud of the soil. Don't bury them in. And the other thing to remember as well is always use good quality compost. Next thing to do is to gently cover them with some compost. Now, there's nothing scientific about this. All you want to do is just use your hands just to loosen up any clumps and just go over it like this. Don't worry if they look buried now. We're just covering our sets. And here we go. Your prepared pot should look something like this. So just a reminder, use good quality compost. Make sure you select the right onion sets. And when you're planting them, just keep them slightly proud of the surface of the compost. Once they have been watered, you can leave them on a windowsill, or if you have a greenhouse, you can put them in the greenhouse. And some varieties, you can even leave them outside in the garden. The cold won't do any harm whatsoever. And you should see germination and growth in about 7 to 10 days. And this is about 3 weeks old now, so you can see how much growth that this has put on in 3 weeks. Once you get to this stage, you're now ready to plant out all your healthy onions. Alternatively, if you wanted spring onions, then these are your spring onions. You just cut them off from the base, and you can enjoy them in a salad or however you like. If you want full onion bulbs, then let them continue to grow. They should be ready around about June time or June, July, depending on how warm and the conditions that you've given them. So now you know how to go from this to a successful germination rate of your onions. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.